Okay, not only are we doing the cabinets on the wall, we also, customer wanted 2 of these workbenches put together, and they're gonna go underneath that, so we'll get these put together. Same thing, use the instructions. Or you don't want to do it, like, just use them. It's gonna take less time longer, just use the instructions on some of this. This one's where it breaks for you. Good one. Square out the back of the workbench, make sure it's nice and square the full speed. Double check. Here's the tricky part. We got to measure and make sure that this side, which is 1 inch, we got to make sure this side is the same, which it is, 1 inch. Then come around to the back here and make sure this is at least 1.5 inches. This is the back side of the workbench. You do that for both sides, make sure it's even before you screw it in. Because you're only gonna get one shot to get it right. So when you screw the actual legs onto the wood top, that's it, you're done. So you wanna make sure you get that right. Another tip too, when you're drilling the pilot holes, you gotta be careful because you can't go too far. If you go too far, you'll drill through the top. So just enough to get your lag bolt, which is right here, enough to get that started. got just about done except for this part here, which we got to drill some pilot holes. Slide this under. It'll be good. That's it. It's a little higher than I thought it would be, as far as height-wise, if you were a shorter person, but looked good. Another little thing I did so I could drill the pilot holes underneath, since there's the holes you have to drill right there. Use a couple pieces of painter's tape. You can hold it up there, because I'm always by myself, so I always try to think of other ways to have that extra set of hands, and this way now I can pre-drill them, go back and screw them all in. That's it for the first part of this video. So I got all these assembled, this one done, I got one more to do, and then in part 2, we're gonna get the cabinets all hung up, the workbench put where they need to go, and install a pegboard. So give me a thumbs up, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel.